Hey everyone, I'm Chrissy at Ageless Skin Rejuvenation in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Today we're just going to be doing a little hair removal, which is the perfect thing to do during the winter to get ready for the summer months, so you don't have to worry about shaving when you want to go to the beach or wear that tank top or anything. So this is our Viora laser hair removal. It takes about 4 to 6 treatments typically for people. For underarm area, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks apart because that's about the life cycle of hair growth there, and we really want to get the hair while it is actively growing because it's attached to blood supply, so we can kill it. It is a little uncomfortable. We do numbing cream. It just feels like a hot rubber band popping on your skin. We'll put some cool gel on the area that we're going to treat. We're going to be treating our nurse Stephanie today. But other than that, it's a very quick procedure. It takes about 10 minutes and you come every 4 to 6 weeks like I said, and it lasts a couple of years depending on the person. Everybody's a little bit different, especially women. You know, we have hormonal fluctuations, so everyone, as long as we're alive, we're going to have different hair growth. So it's never going to be 100% gone. I think that's a misconception with laser hair removal, is that it's permanent laser hair removal. It's not. It is permanent hair reduction. So as long as you're alive, you're going to have some hair, but it's going to be dramatically increased, but you probably are going to need to do touch-ups throughout your lifetime if you want it to stay completely gone. Alright, so we have Stephanie here. We're just going to do a little underarm area. We want you to come in with no deodorant on. This machine is attracted to pigment, so the darker the hair and the lighter the skin is the best scenario. We don't want you to have a tan. Even sunless tanners, especially tanning beds, the machine will pick up on the pigment in the skin and could possibly burn the skin rather than the hair. So it's a really great idea to do this during the winter months. And we do have lasers appropriate for darker skin tones, but we just still, nobody wants to be out in the sun or have any type of makeup or fake tanner on. So I'm just going to put some safety goggles on, and we use a little bit of gel. It's going to be cold, okay? And we're just going to put this on the skin. It just acts as a barrier to protect the skin a little bit. It's supposed to help transfer the energy down into the skin. The idea behind this laser is one that is attracted to pigment. So like I said, the darker the hair, the better the results you're going to get. Each treatment you come in, the hair is going to get a little bit thinner, a little bit finer. So every treatment you're going to get more results. We really want you to come in every 4 to 6 weeks to get the best results, because today we're going to kill some hair. 4 to 6 weeks she's going to have some hair grow back, and we want you to come back in and we'll kill it then. You're going to get the best results with that plan if you stick to that schedule. So this laser has a pretty large head on it. So it basically just sits flush against the skin, so it covers a large area. So it does not take long at all for these treatments, possibly about 10 minutes, and it's going to feel like a hot rubber band popping on the skin. So I'm just going to lay this flat here. How's that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you put your pain at?
Maybe like a 3.
Is that tolerable for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just going to keep the setting at what I have it because Stephanie said that that was tolerable, and I'm just going to do a little bit of overlapping as we go through just to make sure that we cover all the surface area that we're treating. Like I said, it's going to feel like a hot rubber band popping on the skin. Everybody's a little bit different as far as pain tolerance, so we will adjust the laser accordingly. So after the treatment today, Stephanie is probably going to be a little bit red, a little bit swollen, may feel like she has a little bit of a sunburn type feeling. That's completely normal. You want to be a little bit red after these treatments because that means that you are reacting to the laser so that it is working. So following today's treatment, Stephanie will probably have the hair that we treat today fall out in about 2 to 3 weeks. We don't want patients to pull the hair out. We just want to let them have it fall out on its own. It's going through a process where it's detaching from that root and just falling out. This treatment's really great for people who have heavy growth under the arm to the point where it makes the skin look darker. It's really great for people that get really bad razor burn. Even if people don't have coarse dark hair, or which type of razor they use or shaving cream, they still just get razor burn. So that arm is done. She's not even really too red, just a little bit, mostly where the majority of the hair follicles are, which I said, you know, that's good because you want it to react to the laser. So here at Ageless Skin, we have a laser that we can use on all skin tones. We also do men and women. You can do mostly any area on the body. A lot of men like to do their beard area here just because they get a lot of razor burn, especially around this area. A lot of military people have to shave frequently, and it doesn't matter what they do. They get razor burn or irritation. And that not only looks bad, but it can scar your skin up. So even if people don't follow through with all 6 treatments, which we do recommend on a specific schedule, it's going to dramatically reduce the hair. The hair that comes back is going to be finer, it's going to be thinner, it's going to be lighter in color, and it's going to be easier to shave. And when you do shave, you're not going to get that irritation, because the irritation is coming from the hair being very coarse and coming through the skin. So you can see she's a little red, not much, but I mean, you want it to be a little bit red. That took all of 10 minutes, so it doesn't take long at all, especially doing small areas, and it is the perfect thing to do before summers. So that's it for the laser hair removal. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below and we will get back to you. And until next time, thanks for watching.